Canva just gave a whole new meaning to build, analyze, and interact, all inside a visual design platform. At Canva Create 2025, the company rolled out its most ambitious upgrades till date. And you are hearing of this first right here at aimtv. Canva now has Magic Studio at scale, Magic Charts, and Canva AI as well. But the real standouts? Canva Sheets, a spreadsheet designed for the AI and design era. Canva Code, interactivity, now just one prompt away. So let's dive into both and explore how Canva is quietly positioning itself as the new operating system for creative work. Canva Sheets is literally the place where design meets data. For years, Canva was missing one critical layer: data. But now with Canva Sheets, that changes. As co-founder Cam Adams said, and we are quoting him, "Data is central to storytelling, from dashboards to campaigns, but it still gives 2/3 of people anxiety." So Canva Sheets was built around one goal: make data visual. Make it intuitive, make it interactive. And here's what sets it apart. Through Magic Insights, you just need to select a block of data and Canva explains it. With Magic Formula, you write formulas in plain English and it writes the function. And then there's Magic Write for data. You need addresses, sample data, or say missing values. You just have to ask. As simple as that. Of course, then comes Flourish integration, where you get stunning, dynamic data visualizations, but with just one click. It doesn't end here. Then comes Full Sync. You can connect Salesforce, Statista, GA4, HubSpot, even World Bank data. And yes, it's interoperable with every other Canva format. Say the likes of docs, decks, websites as well. But Sheets goes even further with content at scale. So say if you're in marketing or sales, you can now personalize, you can translate and resize hundreds of assets powered by data. Unlike Excel or Google Sheets, Canva Sheets is built for a visual-first, AI-native, and seamlessly connected to your entire design workflow. It can literally turn data into dynamic content, not just a static rows and columns. Canva co-founder Mr. Adams put it the best: "We have designed Canva Sheets for the AI era, where anyone can unlock insights, write formulas in plain language, and tell powerful stories with their data without the stress." Now let's talk about Canva Code. From prompt to prototype, Canva Code became quite the headline grabber. Co-founder Melanie Perkins summed it up. We are quoting her. "Coding unlocks superpowers, but most people never access them because code is intimidating." And that's why Canva asked this important question: what if just about anyone could build, say, a quiz, a form, a calculator just by asking? Just say, create an interactive travel map, and voila, it's done within minutes. And then came the light bulb moment. Why not bring this to our 30 million users? Early tests with, say, the likes of students, teachers, business owners showed instant value. Kids created geography flashcards like this. Entrepreneurs were able to build mortgage calculators instantly. Designers added smart widgets to portfolios in a matter of minutes. And the best part, I haven't even told you that yet. Canva Code works across the ecosystem. You're not just designing how it looks, you're designing how it works as well. So let's talk about Canva's bigger strategy and the question that why are they doing it now? Because Canva is no longer just a design tool, a platform. It's becoming a platform for visual storytelling, for data-powered marketing, for prompt-based interactivity, and soon AI-first productivity as well. They are going after the no-code generation at a huge scale. And while tools like, say, Replit, Cursor, Lovable are all built for developer shipping software, but Canva Code is built for creators. So it doesn't matter if there are different goals, different users. The same core mission is to make complex things simple. This is Visual Suite 2.0 and Canva's most important product launch since it began. So let us know what you would like to build with Canva Sheets or Canva Code, and we'll feature the best ones in our next video. For more real-time live updates from the entire world of tech and AI, don't forget to subscribe to AIMTV because you know what's coming. Think AI, think AIM.